Hello, welcome to the next series in digital electronics. Here we will discuss the special cases in 2's complement representation. In 2's complement representation, whenever a sign bit has 1 in the sign bit and all zeros for the magnitude bits, the decimal equivalent is minus 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of bits in the magnitude form. For example, when like 1 as the sign bit and 0 are the rest bit, means these are the magnitude bits and this is the sign bit. So this is the form where leftmost bit is 1 and rest are 0. So the decimal equivalent of these numbers is equals to minus 2 raised to power n. So the decimal equivalent of this number is minus 2 raised to power 3 and it is equals to minus 8. There are various numbers in binary form which has 1 as the most significant bit and rest are zeros, like 8 has 1 0 0 0 and also 16 has 1 0 0 0 0. These are the numbers, these types of numbers, when we represent in negative form, the 2's complement are the same. Actually the 2's complement are used to represent the number in negative form. So when we write minus 8, means we will convert this in the 2's complement form, or when we write minus 16, we will convert this in the 2's complement form, and when we convert this in the 2's complement form, we will get the same number. See it here. 1's complement of this number is 0 1 1 1 1, and 2's complement we will add 1 here, so it will be 0 0 0 0 and 1. We can see this and this is the same number. So when we have a number, a binary number which is in 2's complement, so we can find the decimal equivalent of this number using this formula, and here n is the number of zeros, means number of magnitude bits. So the minus 2 raised to power 4 is equals to minus 16. Now we'll discuss some characteristics of the 2's complement numbers. First is there is one unique zero, means it has only positive 0. There is no number for minus 0, so it has 1 0, and the 2's complement form of 0 is 0. The leftmost bit cannot be used to express the quantity, means it can be used only for the sign bit. It is used for the sign bit, means 1 for the negative number and 0 for the positive number. And the fourth is for n bit word which includes the sign bit, there are 2 raised to power n minus 1 positive integer and 2 raised to power n minus 1 are the negative integers, and 1 is 0, and the rest is significant information is contained in ones of positive numbers, means if the number is positive then that significant information are in ones, and if the number is negative, the significant information is in zeros. The next is a negative number may be converted into positive number by finding its 2's complement. Here, according to our characteristics, a 2's complement has only a unique 0. We can see here the list is this line, this column has the 2's complement form, this has 1's complement form, and this has the sign magnitude form, and these are the decimal equivalent. First we will see the numbers from positive 7 to positive 0. These numbers we can see here, this first digit is 0 here, and this 0 represent this positive sign, and these are the 4-bit numbers. Reminded, these are the 4-bit numbers. So the first bit represents the 0, and these rest are the numbers itself. This is 7 6, and this is 5 4, and this is 3 2 1, and this is 0. And in 1's complement form we can see the numbers are same up to positive 0. We can see these and this and this line is same up to positive 0. And now we'll see the rest one. When we convert these positive numbers into the in negative numbers, we will find the 2's complement of these numbers. So when we find the 2's complement of these numbers, we can see there is no bit for negative 0 in case of 2's complement 4. So we'll see it has only a unique 0, and the 2's complement of 0 is itself 0. Here we can see the negative sign is represented by the leftmost bit, which is 1 here, and we can see 8 here. We have just solved the example for 8. When we represent 8 in -8, means in negative with negative sign, so it will be the same as 8 in binary numbers. We have just saw that in 2's complement form, positive numbers are 2 raised to power n minus 1. These are the positive numbers. Now we can see here, excluding 0, positive numbers are 0, 1 to 7. Here for n bit means these are for 4-bit numbers. So the according to 4-bit numbers, 2 raised to power 4 minus 1, n is the n bit. It is for n bit. Here we have 4-bit, so it will be 4 minus 1. So it will be 2 minus 2. We can see it is 8. It is 7. So it is 1 to 7 positive numbers, and 1 is 0 here. It has unique 0, and the 2's complement of 0 is 0. So negative numbers, these are 2 raised to power n minus 1, means 2 raised to power 3. These are 8, means 8 are the negative numbers. We can see here 8 negative numbers, -1 to -8. So the negative numbers are 8 in case of 2's complement. Now in case of 1's complement form, we have just reverted the digits, means -0 to -7. -0 is represented, just complemented the digits for plus zeros. And in case of sign magnitude form, we have just put 1 in place of the sign bit, as this is the sign bit for positive and this is the sign bit for negative, and the magnitude bits are same in positive and in case of negative form. So we can see here, in case of 2's complement form, this is unique 1, and the 2's complement of 0 is 0. But in case of 1's complement form and in case of sign magnitude form, these have another number, binary number for positive 0 and negative 0. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.